A single sneeze can launch particles at 100 miles per hour, fast enough to spread germs across an entire room in seconds. Picture this, millions of tiny droplets, invisible to the naked eye, dispersing at lightning speed, covering everything in their path. Just one sneeze from someone with a cold or flu can turn a whole room into a hotbed of infection, with particles hanging in the air and settling on surfaces. This is why staying healthy during flu season is such a challenge. Those microscopic invaders are incredibly efficient at hopping from person to person faster than you'd ever expect.